Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can change how you manage light and privacy in your home, the motorized blinds, specifically the cordless electric roller shades with remote. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these motorized blinds? These are cordless roller shades designed to provide a seamless and elegant solution for your window treatment needs. They are perfect for anyone looking to combine functionality with a touch of modern technology. With a convenient remote control, you can easily operate these blinds without the hassle of traditional cords. Let's talk about some of the standout features of these motorized blinds. First, the installation process is remarkably simple and practical, thanks to its no-drill mechanism. This makes them ideal for renters or anyone who prefers to avoid making permanent changes to their windows. You simply attach an adhesive extension block to the groove of the upper rail, push it into the window frame, and you're good to go. Plus, the battery compartment is conveniently located at the top, making it easy to replace the batteries when needed. To enhance the overall aesthetic, a stylish valance is included to block any light from seeping through the gap between the fabric and the top rail. When it comes to shading, these blinds truly excel. The fabric is crafted from a 3-layer blackout textured material that not only provides excellent UV protection but also ensures your privacy. Whether you're using them in your bedroom, living room, kitchen, or office, you can expect a safe and durable solution that effectively blocks unwanted light. Now, let's get into the smart features. The AX290 motor requires a smart bridge for app and voice control, which means you can integrate these blinds into your smart home system. You have the flexibility to control them using popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. This means you can set timers and create custom scenes to enhance your living experience. For instance, imagine waking up to the gentle glow of sunlight as the blinds automatically open in the morning, or having them close at night to create a cozy, private environment for your family. So, who are these motorized blinds suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a parent, or simply someone who values convenience and modern living, these blinds are the perfect addition to your home. They are particularly beneficial for individuals with mobility issues or those who want to simplify their daily routines. They are also great for anyone looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency by managing natural light effectively. In practical terms, consider how these blinds can transform your morning routine. Instead of fumbling with cords or struggling to reach high windows, you can command your blinds with the touch of a button. This feature is especially useful for large windows or hard-to-reach areas. In the evenings, they provide a sense of security and privacy, allowing you to unwind without worrying about prying eyes. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that the company behind these blinds values customer satisfaction. If you receive a product with any damage to the fabric or components, they encourage you to take a photo and reach out within 60 days for a replacement. They also offer a 2-year warranty for the motors and controllers, ensuring you can enjoy your new blinds with peace of mind. In conclusion, the motorized blinds, cordless electric roller shades with remote are a fantastic solution for anyone looking to elevate their window treatment game. With easy installation, excellent shading capabilities, and smart home integration, they provide a convenient lifestyle upgrade that can fit seamlessly into your daily routine.